Hey guys, so this is how to record your voice or do voiceover on Kinemaster. So I have a project open here, and what I need to do first is select each video or each audio file, and then select the mixer, and then bring the volume all the way down. That's because I don't want the volume of the video to interfere with my voiceover. So I'll do this for the second video as well. I'll select the video, select mixer, and then bring the volume all the way down. And then I'm just going to go back and then deselect everything. Then on this circle on the right, you're just going to find a record option. Just click on that. And then click on start. Once you click on start, you're going to be recording your voice. Let me just drag this back here. Okay, I'll just click on start again. And here we go. We are recording my voice. So 1, 2, 3. This is for demonstration purposes. Let's check it out. And here we go. We are recording my voice. Okay, looking good. 1, 2, 3. This is for demonstration purposes. All right. So yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to record your voice and do voiceover on Kinemaster. Hope that video is helpful.